Hi, I'm Robert from Move Work Forward. In this video, we are going to cover activity reports on Microsoft Teams using the advanced Microsoft Teams Bitbucket Connector Data Center app by Move Work Forward. To begin, we want to go to our repository settings. To do this, go to the repository in question. Select the repository settings cog in the bottom left. And then we want to scroll down to add-ons and select Microsoft Teams. Then we want to go to the Activity Reports tab. The setup is fairly simple and straightforward, so we want to click on New Configuration, provide a suitable name, and then we want to enter our webhook URL we got from the Workflows app in Microsoft Teams. For this option, you can set the number of days a pull request will be inactive before it will show up on the relative section of the report. For the delivery type, you can choose whether you want it to be every day, Monday to Sunday, whether you want it to be once a week, or whether you want it to be during business days, so Monday to Friday. Then you can set your preferred time here in 15-minute increments. And then you can test the connection. And if you get the connection test passed, if we pop into Teams, we should see a sample report has just come through. Indeed we do. So you can save that. And if you wish to adjust anything or disable it, you can disable the report using this, or you can edit it using this button here. And then you can also go in and view the report here by clicking on the View Report button. And we can see the report here. The database I'm using is very simple, so there's not a lot in it. It's just a test repository. But obviously for a more active repository, you would see quite a lot more, including a section for inactive pull requests, which means, of course, that the pull request hasn't been actioned in the number of days you specified during the configuration. And there you have it. It's very easy to set up, but by using the app by Move Work Forward, you can very easily and effectively get a quick overview of the activity in Bitbucket through Microsoft Teams. Thanks.